Oh, and welcome. It is Saturday, November. What's the date? November 8th, right? I don't have much time. This probably is all that's going to be on this video. If you've been following along, you know that my husband's father had some issues, taking a turn for the worse, and pretty much waiting for the call to happen. So so we have some time right now. I'm opening my Canopy that my dad gave me that I talked about. So I figured I'd make a quick video about this. It's gonna be very minimally edited because I'm just gonna pretty much upload it. So let's see what we got. Now I actually did start opening it. I can tell you that I don't like the storage bag already. The opening's here. How am I supposed to get this back in here every time? It's ridiculous. But we'll see. Maybe I can make it work, but I'm not looking forward to it right now. I took the canopy top out already and kind of looked at it briefly. Let's see if there's any holes or anything. Like I said, I'm not sure about how this is going to go with the bag. Got Penn States in here and pies, and there's something else. What is that? Instructions. Just like the vent part. Let's see. Wheel bag. Is that what no, that's not it. Oh, these are sandbags. Okay. That's what they are. Oh, I have plenty of those already. Alright. Yeah, pretty much everything. I'm not sure if I'm going to put the whole thing up today. We'll see. See how much time I have, whatnot. Again, bear with me with this video. Just to reiterate about other stuff. So far I have an event next weekend, so a week from today, that I'm doing. I think I'm still doing it. Kind of depends on what goes on with my father-in-law. And then I have the one that's midweek after that, a couple days, like Wednesday, the next Wednesday. So I have those two events I'm going to be preparing for. So I'll be doing stuff related to that. At least I think, like I said, all depends on what's going on outside of my business. Where did I put this? Here. Throw it out later. But anyway, so let's see what we got here. Frame is nice. Like it's nice and like loose when you open it up. So it's not like sticking. So I could do this myself. There's a little push thing for the so that you can do it yourself. If my husband ever lets me do it by myself. I just don't know if I have enough room in here to open it all the way. I'm gonna get my husband's car. Not a good time for that to happen. Okay. Let's see if I can get in here. I don't have much space. That's pretty much as far as I can go, but in theory, I'd be able to pop that up by myself. Like I said, the canopy top, I guess I can show you that real quick and start moving this back in. Get outside first. But, it doesn't seem to be broken. I haven't put it up all the way, but just wanted to check, make sure it works. Then the top, I will show you. Yeah, I wish I could put the whole thing up right now. It has these holes in it for drainage, which can be a problem, but I kind of like that the water's not going to pool on top. So I could always put something on the inside and then open it up if I have to. I think that's probably what I'm going to end up doing. And I also have supposed to be this way. No, this way. Well, this isn't very white. I thought it was white. Yeah. This isn't white. Anyway, this is like the vented opening at the top. So that's a good thing too. But I'm not going to be able to open it up today. Like I said, this is the best I can do for this video. There isn't really much else to say right now because I haven't been working on stuff. I've been at the hospital a lot. Let's see if I can get back in bed. Let's see if we can do that. Hold on. It should be the other way. Okay. I mean, the bag is like heavy duty, which is nice. But the way you load it in, I'm not sure how this is gonna work, you know? I don't know if you can see it. I don't like this. Probably gonna end up just not even using the bag. Unless I'm storing it for like a long term or something. But if I could reuse it like every week or whatever, I'm not gonna use this. And then getting the canopy in there too is a pain. So yeah, I guess the white side is on the side. Wherever there's seams. Alright. Well, it is white then. That's good. That one event I do is going to go white canopy. I still have my other one if you like. Right. Yeah, like this isn't going to fit in here. There's no way. So, keeping this opposite, not opposite. I'm going to keep this separate from this because there's no way I'm getting this back in here. There's just no way. So, that's how that went. But anyway, I said I was going to open this at one point. Figured I could make a quick video about it. I will do a more thorough review or something of it in a coming video. The other thing I have to say, assuming his dad does, well, even if he doesn't die, his mother, we're working on getting her into an assisted care facility. But for the time being, until she gets into one, she's going to be with us. So it's going to be kind of hard filming stuff too. But I'm going to do my best with her being here. So, yeah. I guess that's all the updates I have. So, again, sorry. I mean, it's a nice short video compared to all the other ones I made. I probably should make it at least 10 minutes. It's at 9 right now. What else can I talk about? Like I said, I have those 2 events coming up next weekend, a week from today, and Wednesday. So the next coming videos, I'm going to be doing stuff related to that, most likely. Maybe start planning out my windows. Maybe do my Thanksgiving window, if I'm doing that. My door, my sliding door. So I'll be doing that kind of stuff. My husband's doing the grass. So, yeah, and so the next 2 videos, if I get them out, if I don't, you know why, will be about stuff preparing for those events and doing those changes that I wanted to do to my vendor stuff too. And if I come up with any more, not just making new products. which I need to do too. So we'll work on that for the next 2 videos. Then I'm going to have the event next Saturday. Well, I guess the next 3 videos. Because unless I do Sunday again, there'll be another. Yeah. So either the next 3 videos with event prep and stuff like that, and then it comes out on Saturday, or I include the recap again like I did last time, and we have the video come out Sunday. We'll see how that goes. Probably be a lot of late nights, I think. Anyway, see you for now.